YouTubers, so I'm in Argentina and I'm with my good friend here, Carla, and we're going to try one of reportedly the best burgers in town. So she's going to tell us what we're going to order and then we're going to tell you what it's like. Right, we're back. She ordered the burger, the pork, the roasted pork in the oven burger.
For 12 hours? For 12 hours?
Yeah, so it was cooked in the oven for 12 hours. And I ordered another burger, just the regular burger with cucumbers and sun-dried tomatoes. Should be interesting.
I have sweet potatoes.
She has sweet potatoes. I have real chips. Really tasty.
And do you like the bread I chose?
Tell them about the bread.
Yours has poppy seeds, I think. And
She didn't know I was allergic to poppy seeds, but that's fine.
I chose. I don't remember.
Yours has poppy seeds.
No, this is.
That's poppy seeds.
No.
Yeah.
No, this is
like,
sesame.
Oh, this is sesame. She's right. Mine's like poppy seeds.
Yes.
All right. Do a close up of. Go on then.
You try both.
Different dips. Garlic, olive oil, delish. This is probably the harissa, right?
I don't remember.
Barbecue.
No, barbecue, yeah.
Alright, go. Burger. You ready? You ready? Check out that. Yeah, we'll set up a good one. And that's the roasted pork burger. So this is a local beer that I tried. It was okay, it's a bit sweet, but it's tasty. And you know it's Sunday, so what the hell? So I want to stick the burger. You can really taste the roastiness, the deep flavors of the meat. I mean, Argentina is known for their steaks, right? So the burger's got to taste good too, right? I mean, that really is. I haven't had a decent steak yet. Let's get some more of Carla in here. Hopefully with Carla's help, over the next 2 weeks, she won't get fed up with me and maybe show me some nice steak restaurants too.
Yes, I will.
You don't mind if I dip?
No, I don't. You put your finger in this, and now you're asking me if I mind if you...
That was my clean finger.
I don't know about that.
Argentinians, you know, they have their issues. Fine, let's order another one of those.
No, I will not try that anyway.
Oh, no,
because
come
I think
on,
it's going to be,
sorry.
No, it's going to be spicy.
It's not spicy, it's just garlic. I'm so sorry, I'm just an instant. I used to be the chef, so I put my finger in everything. I'm going to put that one down, but try the other burger. 12-hour roast pork burger.
The burger.
Holy shit! Damn, that's good.
My choice.
No choice. You know how we used to pull pork in England? That's just like a pork steak, but really, really well rendered. And and then when you bite into it, it just melts away in your mouth. She doesn't want me to touch her food. Oh my, look at the size of what? It's plantain, right? Or sweet potato?
Sweet potatoes. What's the other word?
Plantain.
No, it's sweet potatoes. And yours are fried, but mine are in the oven.
Baked sweet potato.
Yes.
So I haven't tried any of the red wine yet either.
Around this area, there are many wine bars, and you can try by glass. That might be a good option.
I'm here for work, just so you know. Thank you, Carla.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you. And if you like my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit that like button, and come back soon for more YouTube videos.